sir, hello ma'am. I'm Gauri Rakesh Bendre. Today's session I will discuss about what is the string in the Java. The string in the Java is the sequence of the character. The string in the Java is the same for the array of the character. Array of the character, that means character ch is equal character of array ch is equal to abcd. It is the same for the string s is equal to abcd. So it's two strings are the output for the same abcd. The string is the string is there are the many lots of method like that: concat method, compare method, empty method, to string, to array, to lowercase, to uppercase, and so on. It is the lots of the method in the Java. The string is the implementer the serializable, clonable character sequence. The first I will discuss about the character sequence. The character sequence is usually for the character sequence is uses the what is the sequence of the character, and it is maintain the sequence of the character. The character sequence is the implement the string buffer, string builder in the classes. So it means if we create any string in the Java, then first I will uses these classes like a string buffer and string builder. The string in the object of the string defined in the two ways in the Java. That first like that first is by using the string literal and by using the new keyword. The first I will discuss about you what how to how to declare by using the string literals. First, string literal is defined as a string s is equal to a b c d, and the string literal in the string literal I will first JVM is first check the string constant pool. The if the string is the string is exist on the string constant pool, that means scp is existed, that means already string is existed. So we cannot create the object of instance of object of the string. But if it is does not exist, that means Java constant string constant pool is not existed the string given string, then we create a new object of the string. The Java constant pool is the refer the object of the next string, and it is store the string, and we can use the one variable, one object for the reference different reference variable, like that. So then second way I will discuss about you how to create a string by using the new keyword. The new keyword we Java created two objects, that means two faces, in the heap memory, and uh, and string constant pool. Then second object. First, in new keyword we do not we do not care the first string is exist or not exist. In every time we create a by using the new keyword we create a new string. But it is also one object is stored in the heap memory, and one string have the second object is stored in the string constant pool. So it is also refer the string constant pool. Then then uh, then Java string literals is the efficient memory. That means we cannot create the object for the line by line. We create a one object and refer the any other reference instance. Then string is the immutable in the Java. That means the string is the immutable. That means one string. If we declare the one string in the data, we do not uses or do not modify or change this string. That means it is the immutable in the immutable string in the Java. If we change the if we for example, I will discuss about it. First string I will create the Gauri. Then we do not change the again we do not change the or modify this string for the Gauri, because we refer the Gauri names variable object in other five reference variable. So we do not modify or do not change for the object. If we change this Gauri object, then it is the effect for other five reference variables. So we do not change or do not modified modified string. So it is the immutable concept in the string. So it is the string concept in the Java. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.